Hi students, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to discuss the topic same direction. In the last class we have seen that the opposite sides of a rectangle are parallel. Okay, or in another words we can say that two perpendiculars in the same line are parallel. Okay, listen, opposite sides of a rectangle are parallel or two perpendiculars to the same line are parallel. Can you understand? Okay, we have seen that these two concepts in the last class. Yes. Look at this figure. Okay, you also draw with me. First draw a line. Let us mark 2 points on this line. Okay. The next we can mark the angle. Here mark 60 degree. Let us join these 2 points. Angle is 60 degree. Next, here mark the angle 50. Degree. Now listen, are the slanted lines parallel? What can you say? Are these two lines parallel? Yes or no? Okay, let us check. If we extend these two lines or these two slanted lines upwards, what we get? All of you listen. Are they meet anywhere? Yes or no? No. Then if we extend it downwards, what would happen? Are they meet anywhere? Yes. These two lines meet at a point. Okay, if these two lines or these two slanted lines meet at a point. Okay, so we can say that these two slanted lines are not parallel. Okay, then let us check another example. All of you draw one line. Okay, then mark 2 points on this line. Our first angle is 60 degree. Mark the first angle 60 degree. Then join the points. here 60 degree. The next angle let us mark 80 degree. Okay, join the points. $80. All of listen. Are these slanted lines parallel? Yes or no? These two slanted lines parallel or not? How can we find out? Yes. If we extend these two slanted lines upwards, what we get? All of listen. What we get? Yes, the distance between these two slanted lines are not same, or this is decreasing. Okay, that is, we can say that these two slanted lines meet at a point. Okay, here there is no enough space to draw. Then all of you listen. The distance between these two slanted lines are not same. Okay, that is, these two slanted lines are not parallel. Okay. ഇനി എങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് ഇതിനെ പാരലൽ ലൈൻസ് ആക്കി മാറ്റാം? ഇപ്പോൾ രണ്ട് കേസിൽ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട് പാരലൽ ലൈൻസ് അല്ല. ഇനി എങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് ഇതിനെ പാരലൽ ലൈൻസ് ആക്കി മാറ്റാം? Can you say how these slanted lines parallel? How do we get these two slanted lines parallel? Can you say? Yes, we can draw the right side angle, or we can measure the right side angle also as 60 degree. Okay, draw the third figure and mark 2 points. Measure the angles 60 degree. Join the points. Again, the second angle is also 60 degree. Now next mark these 2 points. Now all of you listen. 2 angles are 60 degree. Are these slanted lines parallel? Yes or no? You just extend upwards and downwards. What we get? Yes, extend upwards and downwards. Okay, check the distance between the slanted lines. VT ഉണ്ട് എവിടെയെങ്കിലും? നോ, ഇല്ല. ഈ സ്ലാൻഡഡ് ലൈൻസിൻ്റെ ഇടയിലുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് എന്താണ്? സെയിം ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഡിഡ് യു റിമെമ്പർ ദ ഡെഫിനിഷൻ ഓഫ് പാരലൽ ലൈൻസ്? ലൈൻസ് വിച്ച് ഡു നോട്ട് മീറ്റ് anywhere and the same distance everywhere are called parallel lines. So we can say that these two slanted lines are parallel. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഒരേ സ്ലോപ്പ് വരുന്ന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരേ ചെരിവ് വരുന്ന ലൈൻസ് എന്തായിരിക്കും? പാരലൽ ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, the lines having the same slant on the given line is parallel. Okay, we can say that all lines having the same slant with the given line are parallel. Okay, the next one activity. Draw the figure in your notebook. First you draw a line AB. Mark one point. Measure the angle 45. Mark another point P. Name the line as CD. Question is, draw a parallel to CD through P. Okay, draw a parallel to CD through the point P. Okay, did you write? Yes. Next activity. Last class you drew one rectangle using our set square. Okay, did you remember? We used this corner for drawing rectangle. Okay, now we have to draw another figure. First you draw one line. Mark 2 points. Use another corner of the set square for marking angles. Here also. Okay, let us join. Does any pair of opposite sides meet if they extended? What can you say? Bottom and top sides or left and right side? Does any pair of opposite sides meet? Yes? These two angles are equal. So, we can say that the pair of lines do not meet. That is, the sides or pair of opposite sides parallel. Okay. The next activity, you have given one quadrilateral. Yes, you have given one quadrilateral with the sides 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Then angle between them is 30 degree. Also you have given opposite sides of this quadrilateral are parallel and equal. Now we have to draw this picture in your notebook. Okay. So all of you draw with me. First we have to draw the line 5 centimeter. Draw the line 5 centimeter. And next we want to measure angle 30 degree. .30 join the lines, join the points. Here the angle is 30 degree. The next, the left side is 3 centimeter. So we can cut this line at 3 centimeter. centimeters. Okay. Then you have given the opposite sides of this quadrilateral are equal and parallel. Now next we want to draw the top side, which is parallel to the side 5 centimeter, and also the length of the side is 5 centimeter. So did you remember how to draw parallel line in the last class? Using set square. The length is 5 centimeter. Now join these two ends. This is also 3 centimeter. Okay. Now we can say that a quadrilateral like this is called a parallelogram. A quadrilateral like this, that is the opposite sides parallel and equal. Okay, a quadrilateral with the opposite sides equal and parallel are called or is called a parallelogram. Okay. Okay, note one assignment. Your page number 20, rectangle and parallelogram. Okay, do the activity. And one more. Draw this figure in your notebook. Okay. Today's class is over. Thank you.